Hello, this is Mr. Hill. I wanted to explain one of the problems I've seen with a couple of writing experiences you guys did in your recent quiz. That's really actually kind of complicated to explain. So if you can just bear with me as I try to explain it. So here's an example sentence over here that was created, and I'm going to highlight the whole thing here in yellow so you can see what I'm talking about here. Okay. Um, okay. This sentence up here. Now, um, I took off a quarter of a point because of the issue in italics here, the administration banning all cars. Now, this is complicated because what it should say is the administration's banning all cars. Now, I know that sounds confusing, so I'm going to try to explain it by scrolling down here. This word banning is called a gerund, which is a noun. Now, that might not make any sense, but I want to scroll down here to show you that this is actually a rather complicated issue. So we can look down here. Okay, now get rid of all this. Now, here's the same sentence. And what I like to do is explain it by doing another way here. It says, due to traffic jams, a lack of parking space, the administration banned. If I got rid of the word banning and I put another noun there, so say it's policy, okay? That's a noun, correct? So it's you would not put administration policy. You would put administration's policy, correct? So if I change this word from policy to the word banning, same same exact criteria. So therefore, you have to use the apostrophe s when you have an ing noun. So that's the explanation. I hope that explains it, and I look forward to, if you have any questions, please post it here. Thank you. Bye-bye.